Hello students and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. Invoice cancellation in S4 HANA 2020 or ECC. It is in the similar way, but I would like to tell few other things along with this. Let's quickly come back to S4 HANA. Okay. So let's try to create one sales order. So let's try to enter the sales area which is got I have created. So I'm just entering this customer. Test billing cancellation. Okay, so all these are the warning messages. Let's enter this material. Okay, I'm just giving one back. Let's go to the header. So these fields like Incoterms, I'm not defaulted, that's why I'm manually entering to avoid incomplete log. Okay, Hamburg, this is the thing I have entered. Let me try to enter the payment terms. That's it. Let's go to the more and edit. Try to check incomplete log. Okay, now document is complete. You can see the message. Either you can click save here or Control S from your keyboard. So now sales order created 187. So let's try to do the delivery. Let's choose the shipping point and try to enter somewhere the date is 9th. Okay, so let's come to the picking. Let me choose the respective storage location. Okay, so now delivery is ready for post-goods issue. By using 601 moment time, stock is moving out. Now you can see outbound delivery. Let me try to create the bill actually. You just try to observe this. VF01 is the transaction. I have already shown you in my previous videos. Let's try to execute this one. Okay. So, so these are the item details and item conditions. Now if you look at the price is 200. This is just one bag ordered. So like internal price is 1000. Okay, that is for cost. So let's go to the header. Let me try to choose this one because I haven't set up account determination for account assignment group for customer readily available in BP master data. Let's save this. Okay, now let's come to the display. Okay, so this is the billing document which is got created. Now you can see, let's come, you can able to check the accounting document. Okay, now you see whenever any billing document created, you try to remember this is one of the entry question. Customer account will be debited, revenue account will be credited based on the clearance. Now you can see the posting key 01. This is, see, it is not cleared, right? Basically it shows like, you can see it's like, credit entry. Okay, 50 posting key. Let's come here. See, this is the credit entry. These entries got reversed once it is gets settled down from FI side. Okay, now let's come back. Try to check the document flow. Okay, so now you can see this is the order got created and outbound delivery and invoice, and this is the entry. It is not at cleared. Let's try to cancel this one. Okay, let's go to the session. See, the transaction code is VF11. Okay, so let's come here. Okay, before canceling, let me try to show you something. Go to VF02, press enter. Now you can see this is F2 invoice, right? In the similar way, if you go to the cancellation document, Let's try to execute this. I'm trying to create. Okay. So for cancellation, see, it will come like, this is the invoice, the net value with this one, how you can able to see in ECC in the similar way. So for cancellation, this is the entry. Okay. So if something went wrong, you can able to see the log details. Okay. And if it is got splitted due to XYZ reasons, you can see the split analysis. Okay, probably in the future sessions we'll see what exactly advantage with the split analysis and log. Okay, let's try to understand this. Now let's save this. So now document got cancelled. Okay, now let's try to go to the VA02. Okay, to see the total doc flow. So let's go to the doc flow of this document. Now if you can see this, so this is the document which is got created. This is the outbound delivery and this is the picking request. And you can see this is the invoice got created, which is got cleared and cancelled. When it is cancelled, automatically it is also got cleared actually. This is how you can able to see this. Let's try to check. Let me try to come here, document flow. You can able to see item level. If you have more items, you can able to see here. You can see only 5 pieces everywhere. Okay, this is got cancelled. Again, as total invoice value 200 it is got cancelled. Let's try to check the entry accounting document. Okay, now you can see the posting key. If you see it, which is 10 actually. So now if you see this one, when you reverse the invoice, which is 12 actually. Okay, so first one is it is 01, sorry, not 10. So when you reverse this one, so invoice for reversing, this is 12 actually. So let's come here. So previously it is 50 that credit entry. Now if you see this, when you cancel the certain document, it is 40 debit entry. Okay, so you can see this is beside that. So this is for credit and this is for debit actually. Okay, so that means you need not pay anything to the company. Okay, which is got cancelled actually. This is how you have to create it. So what could be the reason for this? Let's come here. The transaction is VOFA when it comes to config level. So let's go to the F2 document. Okay, here you are going to assign the cancellation procedure S1. Okay, if it is credit memo or debit memo, credit memo is different, but if you see, this is the S1, the cancellation billing document type. Okay, so this is all about the session. So with this session you already learned, so what are all the entries against your invoice versus your cancellation document. Okay, where the value will be debited or credited, that you can able to observe this one. Okay, along with that, whatever the cancellation procedure which is got assigned for F2. Okay, this is very important. If you don't assign the cancellation billing document type, you cannot able to cancel this. But if you don't assign also how to cancel that we are going to learn in future. I will explain you. Okay, that's all for today. I think this session will be helpful to you. Okay, so VF11 is a transaction. If you are a beginner, you can able to remember this one.